Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change clothes in Free Fire Max. To change the clothes of your character in Free Fire Max, open the Free Fire Max game on your device, and from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the Vault button at the bottom left. Now, you will get to choose the cloth icon. Go ahead and select your tops, bottoms, shoes, etc. Browse through the different clothes, skins, and outfits available in your inventory. You can also find clothes and skins in your collection tab. Inside fashion at the top, go ahead and browse through the different tops and bottoms that you want to change to. Some of the tops and bottoms will be unlocked after you progress throughout your missions. Tap on the outfit that you want to wear, and after you are done, you can now get back to the main home screen, and that's how you easily change your outfit or clothes in Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Free Fire Max tips and tricks. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.